Yay, Mice and Men! Woo! We are going to be starting a Mice and Men soon, but before we do, I am going to have you do a little bit of a web quest and get some information on the time period, on the location, and on the author. I want to kind of give you the room to explore, but I also want to help guide that exploration. So I've put a series of links and videos in the next couple slides that you can explore and answer some specific questions that I have for you. If you want to give me more information than that, or if you want to give me any interesting information you learn, you certainly can. And feel free to kind of poke around and see what you like. So there are a series of articles as well as videos. You in no way need to watch everything or read everything in order to answer the questions on the bottom, but I want to give you room to grow. So if you're at home and you say, I want to do a little bit more digging, I want to learn a little bit more about this author or this time period, I want to give you the tools to do that. And so if you look at the slides, you'll notice I broke it into 3 separate sections. 1 is the Salinas Valley, 2, the Great Depression, and 3, John Steinbeck. Some of them have 2. The Great Depression has 2 because I just linked in these 2 videos as well as articles, so you can look at both of those, and you'll notice the questions are exactly the same. There's probably, let's see, I'm going to hide this, you can see them. All right, so there's a couple questions on the bottom, and they're the same on both slides. And so you're going to go through, you can click any of these links here and go to that slide. You can also watch these videos here, or you can go to YouTube and watch them. So there's this nice, it's about 15 minutes on Crash Course. This one's a bit shorter. And then if you want more information, this last one is PBS does a series, or Ken Burns does a series of videos on the Great Depression. So you can kind of scroll down and look at the things that interest you. So how you're going to actually complete this assignment is you're going to go to the slide, right? So let's say you want to answer on the Salinas Valley. You can answer right in the speaker notes. So what are the geographical features of the Salinas Valley? And then you'll answer right here. In fact, maybe I'm going to suggest that you make your font a different color so that way it stands out to you. And then you can just start typing right in here. Nobody else can see it. Myself and Mr. Forstel are the only ones that can see it, or just me if he's not in your class. But that's really what we're going to do today. And I think probably tomorrow we'll see how today goes. And if this is kind of a lot to take in one day, then we'll do today and tomorrow and go over it next week. But if you have any questions, as always, I'm going to go over this in class, give you some time to work on it, and you are welcome to ask me any questions or email me any questions, or pop up in our video with questions, or in our Google Meet with questions, or on GoGuardian with questions. GoGuardian, you can message me individually as well as email. Recognize that if you put it in the chat, everyone can see it, which is fine. If you have a question, most likely you're not the only one, and you'll be helping someone else out. That is it. I'm excited to do this with you.